If you're looking to simplify your crypto taxes and maximize your returns, you've come to the right place. Be sure to click on the link in the description below to get your exclusive discount on CoinLedger. Today, we're diving into the cost of CoinLedger, one of the best tools out there for managing your cryptocurrency taxes. So, how much does CoinLedger cost, and what do you get for your money? Let's break it down. First up, we have the Hobbyist plan, which starts at $49 per tax year. This plan is perfect for those of you with up to 100 transactions. It's a great way to get started with crypto tax reporting without breaking the bank. Next is the Investor plan, priced at $99 per tax year. This plan covers up to 1,000 transactions, making it ideal for more active traders. With this plan, you get all the features of the Hobbyist plan, plus enhanced support and more integrations. For those of you with a larger portfolio, there's the High Volume plan at $199 per tax year. This plan supports up to 5,000 transactions and includes priority support. It's perfect for serious investors who need a robust solution. And finally, for the power users out there, we have the Unlimited plan at $299 per tax year. This plan gives you unlimited transactions and top-tier support. It's the ultimate package for the ultimate crypto enthusiast. Now let's talk about discounts. CoinLedger often offers seasonal promotions and discounts, so keep an eye out for those. And don't forget, by clicking the link in the description below, you can snag an exclusive discount just for being a part of our community. So there you have it. CoinLedger offers a range of pricing plans to suit any investor, from the casual hobbyist to the high-volume trader. It's a powerful tool that can save you time and money when it comes to managing your crypto taxes. Thanks for watching, and remember, click the link in the description below to get your discount on CoinLedger today. Happy investing, and see you next time!